Madam, please unmute.
Huh? Yeah, I just came, so that's why it was still muted. Are today you are online? Manasvi,
Yes, ma'am.
why? Where are you?
Ma'am, I'm in home only, but my scholarship classes are going to start.
Studying. Okay, so I have to share screen. Take it to that box. My Gmail. Yes. You want to show this camera?
share screen.
This board, let her see, and the share screen. He's so much like a gentleman in these clothes, no?
आपका बिजनेस करके आया हो
क्या business?
बिजनेस करके आए इसलिए हाँ सरकारी स्कूल में क्या है
She's a good क्या business करके आया?
क्या business करूँगा?
Helping your dad. Now you can help your dad by studying there, you know. You have to do rocks, no? क्या हो गया? Shaking hands and all that. Once. कौन जा रहा है? कहाँ? Where is she going? No one can go.
I'll go one day out of this.
Where are you?
Maybe someday she will go. And out of school.
And I'll give you a work. This is share, you know, with her.
Sure.
Some like probably start. She has that class. आता सुरू करूया आपण. So rocks. What are the three main types of rocks?
Igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic.
Why do we say igneous first?
Because it's the rocks formed by the volcanoes. These rocks are formed due to cooling.
That's what rocks are rocks.
Of hot water
This is not. Okay, so igneous are.
It's not that it has not started. That's part.
So igneous are known as primary rocks. Why? Because they are the first formed rocks. Sedimentary and metamorphic are known as secondary. Why secondary? Because it is formed out of the primary. How is igneous formed? From the hardening of lava through volcanoes, lava and magma. Magma is when it is at the when it has not come to the surface. Yes,
And
when
when
it
it comes
inside,
outside the wall,
when it comes outside, it is lava. Sedimentary rocks are what?
sedimentary rocks are rocks formed from igneous rocks.
From igneous. How they are formed?
By breaking of igneous rocks.
Yes, by breaking, by weathering and erosion. Weathering and erosion. Weathering is what? Only the disintegration. Disintegration means what? Breaking up. And erosion is the carrying forward of it through agents of degradation such as air, water, ice. Okay? Or icebergs. क्या हो गया? बुक क्यों नहीं है? Okay. What are metamorphic rocks?
Metamorphic rocks are rocks formed from igneous or sedimentary rocks. Metamorphic rocks are rocks formed from sedimentary or igneous.
Yes. When these change form, metamorphize means what?
They change the form. For example,
Yes, but generally the word metamorphize means change, to change. Like if you have a tadpole turning into a frog, that is also known as the metamorphosis of a tadpole to a
like a
frog.
metamorphic
Changing
caterpillar to butterfly.
Yes, it's like a metamorphosis from a caterpillar to a butterfly. So changing its form. Okay, so metamorphic are those where igneous and sedimentary change their form. Okay. So these main points of difference you should know. Okay. And one more thing, it's sedimentary will have a layered structure. Why? Why? Layered.
Weathering.
Yeah, because it is formed by weathering or erosion. So वो move होएगा, layer form होगा, move होगा, layer होगा. So layer on layer. Whereas igneous is not formed like that, no? Igneous is lava which has got solidified. So it will not contain layers.
This is formed by like from what? Yeah.
What?
Metamorphic. Sedimentary.
When sedimentary and igneous change their form with
Change the
time, heat and pressure. In fact, all these rocks are formed because of time, heat and pressure. Heat why? Over a period of many years. Heat why? Because the lower layers is hotter beneath the surface. Heat and pressure from where? Pressure from the layers on the top. Like now we find coal and all beneath the surface of the earth. What is coal? Coal is nothing but a sedimentary rock. Okay. Why do we find it beneath the surface? वो क्या था actually? No. Coal is a sedimentary. तो magma picture में नहीं आएगा. What was coal? Plants. All are plants and vegetable matter. Plants. Coal is from only plants, no animals. So remain. How did that go down below the surface? Over a period of time, layer on layer आता गया. उसको ऊपर के layers से heat pressure आता गया and heat आता गया from the layers below. So that is how it was formed. So metamorphic is also the same thing where igneous and sedimentary change their form to metamorphic. Okay. The first is what is the difference between rocks and minerals? यहाँ पे bold पे देखो अभी, okay? The first, the yellow part I'm reading, the Earth's crust is made up of different types of rocks. Rocks play an important role in the formation of soil. What is soil ultimately? Rocks only, weathering and erosion of rocks over a period of millions of years. Soil is formed because of weathering and decomposition of rocks. Decomposition means सड़ जाना. सड़ते कैसे हैं? Heat. Sunlight. And because of like I had given you the example of those rocks that contain iron.
They become brown.
Yes, right. They rust, they become brittle. Iron क्या है? लोहा. Correct? So when it's exposed to air and to water, what happens? It starts becoming brown, it rusts, and then ultimately it breaks. So that is called decomposition. Then rocks also contain many minerals. Now rocks and minerals distinguish between. You might get this exam also. So rocks are solid substances which may have the combination of one or more minerals. Okay, so it will have different types of minerals. What are minerals? Minerals are inorganic. What is organic and what is inorganic? Organic means, yes, natural, some kind of life form.
Organic, chemical, you are.
Yes,
Yeah.
chemical, which occur naturally.
Inorganic substances occur naturally.
Yes, which are found naturally, but they are inorganic. They are chemical based, you can say. They are not made of any kind of life form, like plants and animals. Rocks are mainly classified as igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. Minerals into 4 groups: silicates, carbonates, sulfides, and metallic. Example: marble, slate, limestone. An example: iron, aluminium, and calcium. This is just for information sake. First, you can see the igneous rock, sedimentary, and metamorphic. And here again, you can see igneous, that is granite. Igneous, which is, metamorphic, which is granite, changes its form. And sedimentary, that the girl is there or what? Yes, I can just stop sharing this. Not there.
In geography, history.
Huh?
Sorry.
Sorry?
Came, but he left him during the history period.
What?
Naturally must stop.
No, he's there. Also.
Yeah.
Okay, na? Okay. Now first we talk about igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are known as primary rocks as they form the basis of other formations of rocks. Basis means it starts with igneous rocks and those turn into sedimentary and metamorphic. So it forms the basis of formation of the other types of rocks. How is it formed? Because of cooling, solidification, and crystallization. They form crystals, like here you can see. They form crystals, crystallization of molten material, which is magma. Okay, how is it formed? Because of cooling, solidification, and crystallization. लोगों बड़े हीरो लिख रहे नहीं हो क्या बोल रहा है हाँ बैठा था आराम से हाँ वही पहले पढ़ के लो समझ के लो उसके बाद you can try. Okay, so why are igneous rocks known as primary rocks? Because
They form the basis.
they form the basis of one another. And how are they formed? Because of
Cooling, solid.
yes, cooling, solidification, and crystallization of magma. Now the characteristics of igneous rocks: it's hard and resistant to erosion. What do we mean by resistant to erosion?
It doesn't corrode.
Huh?
It doesn't corrode.
It stops.
It does not erode.
Yeah, it
It
does
does
not
not-
corrode.
No, it does not erode easily. Okay, because it's hard, it's solid. So it's difficult.
Erosion.
Yes, but it still gets eroded, but it does not get eroded so easily because it's hard and solid. Fine grained, smooth, and compact, may have large crystals. There are different types of igneous rocks. Okay, so it depends on where it is being formed. We'll study about that later. But it may be fine grained, it may be smooth and compact, or it may have large crystals with a coarse texture. Coarse means rough. Okay, so it may have a smooth texture or it may have a rough texture. Okay, it may be coarse grained or it may be fine grained.
One feldspar we had in the chapter Earth structure.
Earth structure.
Crust.
Then water may seep into igneous rocks only along cracks and joints. Otherwise, it is difficult. Like imagine if you take ice, for example, how it is solid, no? Right? And it's not made up of any kind of layers. So water may seep into igneous rocks only along cracks and joints. Means if there is a small crack somewhere, that's only how water will start entering into it and it will break the rock. Okay, otherwise water cannot get into it easily because it is absolutely hard and solid. Thus, these rocks are not much affected by chemical weathering. Why? Because we spoke about that iron wala example, right? Those rocks which contain iron. So those get chemically weathered because there's water that's got into it. Now water does not get into it, so it is not so much exposed to chemical weathering. These rocks may go through mechanical weathering. What is mechanical weathering? Last time I told you about that frost action.
What?
Frost action means mechanical means it's just breaking. There are no chemical reactions taking place inside the rock.
Into smaller pieces, but they both have the same chemical, like
Same chemical composition, everything is the same. The only thing is that it is breaking. It's not changing its form. Like you have something known as frost action. I have told you, I think, yes. I told you that there'll be a rock and then there'll be a small crack, then water will get into it, then it will expand. So what is that frost action? Frost means ice.
It will just freeze and then it will break because of contraction.
Then we were doing structure of
Land.
So anyway, I'll still explain it since you were absent. So what happens is you will have, say you have a small crack in the rock somewhere. Yeah, we suppose go crack it. So what happens? Water gets into it. It fills up this space. Then when it is cold, it turns to ice. What happens to ice? Water, when it turns to ice, it expands, no? So this is going to expand when it turns to ice. So thoda aur wo.
It contracts when it is expansion of water after the biggest.
When it turns to ice, it expands. No, last time also you were confused. Then if you take your ice tray, and put your ice tray